Hi everybody, I'm Lynn Becker and welcome back to Cooking with Convection for Tiffin Motorhomes. Today, once again, we're in this beautiful brand new 2020 model of the Allegro bus. It's the 40 IP model and I absolutely love cooking in this kitchen. It's an amazing space to cook in. Today, we're talking about Thanksgiving, so that means we need to talk turkey. Today we're doing roasted rosemary turkey breast, so let's get started. I bought a turkey breast. I don't need the whole turkey. I don't even have space to put a whole turkey into the convection oven. So the turkey breast itself is the perfect solution for this recipe. I've got it thawed. I dried it off really well with a paper towel and I've got it on my sheet pan. You can use a deeper pan if you want. That's just fine. But this roasting pan works really well. So our first step is to stuff the inside of the turkey. What I'm going to do is use some plain raw vegetables, and they don't have to be pretty. You're just stuffing the inside of the turkey. So I have some celery. I have some carrot pieces. I cut up a medium-sized onion, and I didn't do anything special with it. I just cut it up. Everything's going into the turkey. Pack it tight. You want lots of flavor. I'm also going to put 2 or 3 pats of butter inside the turkey cavity as well. And here's our last secret ingredient, fresh rosemary. I totally love this herb. It's really one of my favorites. I mean, it's so fragrant and it gives great flavor to any kind of poultry, really. So I'm just going to take a few stalks and just kind of stick them down wherever they might fit into my turkey. Once again, this does not have to be pretty. It's really just for flavor. And once I've got 2 or 3 good pieces in there, I'll turn my turkey over. I've named him George, by the way. He doesn't want to sit up by himself. George is kind of stubborn that way. So I rolled up some aluminum foil and I'm going to make a brace so he'll sit nice and evenly. Now I'm going to use the rest of my butter, and I'll probably use 3 or 4 pats on each breast. And what you want to do is just work your fingers between the skin and the meat itself. Loosen it so you can get the butter down in there. This is going to make your turkey incredibly moist and really flavorful too. 3 on that side and 3 on this side. Just work it down in there. Sometimes it's a little tough to get down between the skin and the meat. Okay, last, we need some kosher salt. Don't be afraid to salt your turkey. It will take the seasoning. And there again, it's giving such amazing flavor to the bird itself. Okay, I need to rinse my hands with soap and water. Always really important to wash your hands really well after you've touched raw poultry or any kind of meat, really. And you know what? It's ready to go in the oven now. Before I put it in, I want to show you that I bought a rack that's just a little bit shorter for the turkey because you are going to need as much space as you can give it. One more thing before we put him in. I'm going to tint him with a little bit of foil, just so he doesn't get overly brown. And our friend George is ready for the convection oven. Don't forget to choose convection. We're going to cook George at 350 degrees. Now, cooking time on your turkey is really subjective. It is impossible for me to tell you exactly how long your turkey breast is going to take to cook because everyone is going to weigh differently. So you need to read the directions carefully on the package. My package says that for this size bird, a normal oven would take around 2.5 to 3 hours. It's going to take a little bit less in your convection oven. So my suggestion is time it for 1.5 hours and take it out and check it with a meat thermometer. I like a digital one that gives me a really accurate readout. You're looking for a minimum of 165 degrees. If you can hit between 165 and 185, your turkey is going to be perfect. Okay, our turkey has been in the convection oven for about 1 hour and 45 minutes. Let's check the temperature. George is heavy. I can't wait to see what it looks like. Oh yeah, that is gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm gonna take my digital meat thermometer and I'm gonna insert it into the deepest part of the breast. Try not to touch bone, that will affect your temperature. And we're looking for at least 165, 172. I'm right in the zone, it's perfect. That is beautiful. Let's get ready for Thanksgiving dinner. We'll see you next time on Cooking with Convection. I'm Lynn Becker for Tiffin Motorhomes.